Well, guys, here she is. She's all done and fixed. I honestly do not know how my cousin paints. Like, honestly. Oh, he does awesome work. Oh, here's my antenna. Antenna is in here with everything. So that's a plus. He said he'd put the keys in the gas cap. I don't see them. I really like to get her out of here before she rains. Oh. Aha, there they are. So I don't know if he's been running it. Nope, he hasn't. Just been sitting in the shop. Nice and warm. So. Uh-oh. I'll let her warm up a bit. And as I remember, I don't remember my trophies falling out like that. It looks like, you know, it don't even look like I bought some clearance stuff, but it don't look like he hardly used it. Right here is where I messed it up. Dang. I don't know how he did that, but as you can see, it is raining. So, we are going to park this beast over by Yay Grand National, clear yonder over there. So, I'll do a drive video home for you guys. See ya.